Hello everyone, this is one more application of expert system. We already discussed this in the previous video. This is used in medicine, and we already told you that the software that is being developed in the medicine field, earlier expert system was MYCIN. They named it as MYCIN, and here there is a short video is there of that MYCIN device, MYCIN expert system. How this MYCIN system was developed, how we could use this MYCIN system for this type of diseases. Yeah, there is a short video. Just see that video. If there are any clarifications out there, please let me know.
A medical expert system is especially related to health. What is a medical expert system? It is a computer program that simulates the judgment and behavior of a human expert. And basically how it works is a non-expert user will ask the system a query, and this will then go to a user interface, which goes to a search engine, which goes to a knowledge base, and it goes all the way back out through the user interface as advice to the user. And the knowledge base is basically gained from an expert and has been uploaded into the system. Expert systems are clinical decision support systems. And these have been in use since the 1970s. And basically it is used to support medical decisions and are specialized for in one area of medicine, as for the eye, intestine, cancer. And basically they are only used to support medical decisions, not to make their own medical decisions, because the doctor still has to be in charge for liability reasons. Also, it's important to understand that expert systems are used with electronic medical record systems, and this allows for automatic updates to be made to the patient's files so that it's very clear and smooth about what the patient is there for and what their patient history has been without all the paperwork that will be required to go through if it wasn't all an electronic medical record system. And this way the system can send out warnings on a patient, and this would be based on the patient's past treatment, medical history, and more. And so this is basically all to try to keep the patient as safe as we can possibly keep them. Why should medical expert systems be used? And this is because they have been proven to increase the quality of care delivered by medical personnel, because the expert system is able to see things that would maybe take a doctor a little bit longer to tell, and it's easy for them to view the patient's past medical history record and compare it to their current systems. It's a lot more easier for the computer system to do that than it is for the doctor, who would be more relying on what the patient tells them than what their past records indicate. An example of a medical expert system is MYCIN, and it was developed at Stanford University in the 1970s, and it is basically the first such device that was implemented into the medical field as an advisor to the doctor. How MYCIN was tested for its accuracy, but before it was put into the medical field, is that it was given a test where it had 10 meningitis patients who were chosen at random, and their information was sent to 8 human physicians and also to MYCIN. And all of them came up with recommendations as to the treatment of these patients, and these recommendations, along with what the patients actually received as treatment, were sent to 8 other unidentified specialists. And basically, MYCIN won the test. MYCIN received the highest score as far as accuracy and effectiveness of the diagnosis. So the little test proved that the expert system could actually have a better diagnosis than the physicians could at times. And here are some problems with MYCIN and other medical expert systems, and they are: if the system gives an incorrect diagnosis, who is to be blamed or sued? Because in reality, it wasn't necessarily the doctor's fault if the computer made the decision, but the the same time, would it be the designers of the system who should be sued if the system were to malfunction or give an incorrect diagnosis? This is all area that is very gray and not certain. And also, physicians may rely too heavily on the system instead of consulting other experts who just basically using their own gut feeling about what would be best for their patient. They rely too heavily on technology to do what they should do. Consequences of using an expert system, and this is error in the system could have fatal consequences. Data integrity is very critical because if wrong data is entered, the wrong results will be given, and this could lead to the death of the patient. It is also hard for the system to understand the risks involved in the decision, so it just gives its first gut decision instead of debating what would be best for the patient necessarily. Things to remember when using an expert system: the user needs to be very clear, easy to understand, and error-free in its information. Here's my bibliography. I use 2 different websites. Informational Technology in the Global Society for the Art Diploma by Diploma.
Then after this, I'll show one more example. That is again the same. We'll take the same application only, that is used in medicine only. And again here that is the expert system could also be used to detect early form of cancer. Cancer is after heart-related diseases here. People die more because of the cancer. And this expert system could also be used to detect the early form of cancer in the patients here, right? And this can only be used when the cancer is in earlier stages here, not in the late. Yes. So again, this could be used to detect early form of cancer here, right? So this is the the screen what you are seeing. It is actually related to lung cancer, right? So in that lung cancer again, earlier out of this, the number of people who died because of cancer, majority were dying because of breast cancer or prostate cancer or something else. Now the people are dying more because of the lung cancer here. People have developed an expert system to detect the early lung cancer from persons here, right? So here there is a small screen. I'll share it with you. Just wait. Yes. Here I'll share a screen. Again, the same thing. What the expert system will do is it will take all the input from an expert doctor who had a very good experience in detecting early form of cancer by using the computer systems here. His knowledge has been taken. In addition to that, there are a number of inputs are being used for giving a suggestion here. That other things that were used was there is a weight loss, shortness of breath, chest pain, persistent cough, and blood sputum in a cough, something that's related to. And these things were taken. After that, the computer system which is having expert system, that itself will tell the patient at what stage this lung cancer is there, and what are the precautions that the patient could take for this, and what medicines they can use. Everything was suggested by expert system only. This is the one more application of expert system here, right? Just go to this and search it in the Google. You will get many articles about this here, right? So one of the bad thing about this cancer is in the recent years, every year this cancer disease is increasing actually, right? Whereas other diseases were decreasing, but this is actually increasing every day. You see that if you take a past 5-year data or something else here, right? Every year it is actually increasing it by 100%, right? So recently you've seen that one of the person from Karnataka who died because of that cancer here, right? So that in these type of things we can take an help of computers. We can take an help of information system that could help patients to detect this type of cancer diseases here. Right? Thank you. Go through this and ask if there are any clarifications in this here.